This is John Link at Apache Village RV Center here in Hazelwood, Missouri. We've been here since 1976, family owned and operated. It is the end of August, which means we are gearing up for the Fall RV Show. That is at St. Charles Family Arena, September 5th, 6th, and 7th. We're going to start moving in on Wednesday next week. So we'll be in there Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The hours, I believe, are 10 a.m. to 7 p.m., except for on Sunday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. typically that. I'll double check that, but those are the standard hours for the show every other year. What I want to do today is go over some extremely good values we have in 4 different campers that'll be at the RV show. We're already running this pricing on our lot. If you want to beat the crowds, come on by on Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday before the show, Thursday before the show, and we can help you out here at Apache Village as well. But we're going to look at 3 different family floor plans for travel trailers that are bunkhouses, and then one great Eagle HT fifth wheel that's an outstanding couples camper that'll sleep, 4 to 6 people as well. So let's take a look at these and show you what kind of values we're going to have for you at the RV show this year. Stay tuned. All right, what I am standing in front of right here is literally the best value we have at the RV show and on this lot today. This is the 2026 Flight SLX Sport 250BH. This is 40% off of MSRP. We have it priced at $19,995. We have priced these aggressively to move them. We have a ton of them on order. We have a bunch of them that are ready to go to new families or anybody looking to get out in a camper this fall. This is a great deal, folks. Let's take a look at this really quick. Built still on a Jayco custom A-frame chassis. It's aluminum sided camper. Has a tankless water heater. You can see it has a nice spacious awning up here. Move all into the interior. This has our Coleman Mach AC running right now. 2 big double bunks that hold 600 pounds each. Sorry, I said $19,995. It's $19,900. So with 10% down, you're at $200 a month. 12-volt refrigerator, storage underneath the bunks. Have a nice pantry right here. Sink, 2-burner stove, microwave right here as well. There's your bathroom. Once again, folks, I'm just doing a quick rundown of this. Jackknife sofa with storage underneath. This lays flat like a futon. Overhead cabinets. Queen bed. Still have air struts on the bed. And this still has the famous Jayco construction. Roof is made out of this same sheet of plywood here, right? 3/8" tongue and groove plywood. Floors are 5/8" tongue and groove plywood. Great value at under $20,000. We're coming in at 27 feet 7 inches and 4,355 pounds on this unit. Very easily towable with a small SUV, or sorry, mid-size SUV or a small truck. Come on by and see this unit. Check out the value you're getting for a unit under $20,000. And still getting the 2-year manufacturer warranty Jayco is famous for. Every part on this camper is covered for not only 1 year, but 2 years. When you're shopping around, make sure you talk to other salespeople about that. The 2-year is the most important part of this warranty. Right here. This one's actually sold already. Folks were just taking a look at it and just left for the day. 2+3, 2-year manufacturer warranty, meaning that covers all the mechanical parts. A 2-year mechanical warranty, rather. 3-year warranties covering the structure. The Flight 250BH, we'll have one at the show for you. This one's sold already. We won't be keeping these in stock for very long, folks. We have them priced extremely aggressively. Come and check it out. All right, so let's say you're looking to get into a first camper, maybe a second camper, even your family's getting a little bit bigger. We want to get into something that's right at about 6,000 pounds, that'll sleep 6, maybe 8 people, depending on the size of the folks and age of the children you have. We want to slide out though. This unit right here is the Flight SLX. This is made by Jayco. This is the 261BH. So we're looking at this unit under 30 grand, folks, $29,995. This is an amazing starter camper. If I looked up all of our past sales data, this floor plan has sold better for us than just about anything out there. It used to be called the 267 BHS. It's now the 261 BHS. Let me show you a couple of quick features. We're not going to do a deep dive, but I just want to show you what you can get into in this camper. It's aluminum sided. Got a big old awning with outside speakers, LED strip outside. You have your TV hookups right here. Outside kitchen. This particular model has a little mount for a griddle and a propane hookup, so you can hook up your grill out here that it comes with. 60,000 BTU, tankless water heater. And when you come on the inside, we have a nice spacious interior where you have a queen size bed with storage underneath it. Your entertainment center right here. This particular one has a jackknife sofa that lays down flat like a futon, that also has storage underneath it. So tons of storage. We have our dinette. Nice big spacious kitchen area with a big pantry next to your 12-volt refrigerator. Tons of cabinetry. A Coleman Mach AC that is fully ducted. Storage underneath the bunks. These are double bunks, folks. Each one of these bunks holds 600 pounds. We have our restroom right here. A nice shower surround, skylight, and a vent. Medicine cabinet. Sink. Storage underneath the sink as well. Like I said, this is one of our most popular selling floor plans of all time. Used to be called the 267 BHS, now it's the 261 BHS. Flight SLX. So at $29,995, we are 30% MSRP off of MSRP on this unit. Under 6,000 pounds, we always upgrade the AC to the 15,000 BTU AC. It comes with an outside griddle, 30 amp service, jackknife sofa. This is a great camper if you're looking to get into something that's aluminum sided at a great price, very low payment, with a slide out, double bunks. Look no further, folks. 261 BHS Flight. Come and see us at the show. All right, next we have the 2026 Keystone Bullet Classic 28 BHC. This unit, if you're looking to get into something at a very low price, a great deal, but want fiberglass exterior, look no further. Check this out. So we're gonna have a power tongue jack, your 2 propane tanks up front, really good looking front cap, and then a fiberglass exterior versus the aluminum on the J-Flights I was just showing you. Big old storage compartment. It has these really cool lights too. I don't know if you can see this in the daylight, but it's kind of strobing out with the camera. These strips along the front cap light up really well at night with these big LED strips. These new Keystone doors are great too. Nice heavy glass door, they shut really well. Big old awning. One of my favorite features in this little bunkhouse, direct entry into the bathroom. This helps keep the mess down, folks. When you're at the campground, instead of walking through the entire camper to get to the restroom, bam, walk in right there. There's your toilet. So this unit's coming in at $32,995. That's darn near 25% off of MSRP. It's right at 30 feet. And because this is an ultralight unit, it's actually lighter than that 6,000 pound 261 J-Flight, coming in at 5,350. So just under 5,400 pounds. Similar floor plan though, except you have the bathroom and the bunks have switched sides from that 261 J-Flight. Comes with your TV, farmhouse sink, beautiful cabinetry. I love these handles that are on the cabinets too and the drawers, very nice. Ducted AC. These little steps over here are great. So a lot of times bunks don't have steps. You have to get some kind of step stool in here. These not only have steps, but little storage compartments that are under the steps. Then you have storage underneath the double bunks. The 2 big giant double bunks here. Nice big exact slide, cable slide system. The dinette drops down and makes a bed. Then you have these 2 pocket doors that slide out to the bedroom to give you some privacy. Queen bed in here. This has 50 amp service, is wired for a second AC. Then you have this little storage area under the bed. 2 different storage areas. And a place to mount your TV right there as well. Bottle opener. Right there. So at $32,995, like I said, we're coming in very aggressively with this unit as well, 25% off MSRP. You can get into a very lightweight family floor plan with double bunks, 2 double bunks rather, at just under $33,000. The payment with 10% down should be right around $330 a month, folks. And this will get you into a beautiful Keystone that's very lightweight, half-ton towable. One of the best deals at the show, one of the best values that we have. I want to show you one more thing quickly on the exterior of this 28 BHC Keystone Bullet Classic. So this comes with 220 watt solar system, ready to go. Here's your shutoff for it. Has inverter prep as well. So did the 261 J-Flight actually. It's up inside the compartment. There's a place where you can hardwire an inverter in there. So any outlet on this is going to have a little yellow sticker, I'll show you. And if it's attached to the inverter, you can use 110 power off your battery. So for instance, next to the bed, and then this outlet here, any outlet that has that yellow sticker, it'll run, if you have an inverter, it'll run off your 12-volt battery. This also has a 42,000 BTU tankless water heater located right here where all of your hookups are, black tank flush, city water connection, etc. So come and see it at Apache Village RV Center. We will be the third display on the left after you come in the entrance. Once again, the 2026 Keystone Bullet Classic 26 BHC, one of the best values we'll have at the show. All right, next folks, we have the 2025 Jayco Eagle HT 28 CRT. Once again, a floor plan we've had forever that sells very well. It's extremely popular with customers. Offers a rear living room floor plan with a nice outside kitchen. Very lightweight fifth wheel. If you're looking to graduate from a travel trailer and jump up to your first fifth wheel and start heading cross country, taking travel a little more seriously, get some more interior space, this is the best value we're gonna have at the show in a fifth wheel. Let's take a look at this real quick. Start here at the front cap. We have that one-piece molded fiberglass cap with the beautiful eagle symbol up front. Once again, folks, we're not doing a full deep dive here. Just want to show you the discounts and the value you're getting on a unit like this. Vacuum bonded sidewalls from Jayco. Custom frame on all these Jaycos from Lippert. Here's our wet base system by Nautilus. There's a full water filtration system right here. 50 amp service with 2 ACs. This unit right here is going to have 3 slide outs, and this is coming in at 30% off of MSRP, everybody. This is $59,995 at the show and at Apache Village right now if you want to beat the crowds and make your way up here to check one out ahead of time. This is your outside kitchen setup, so that little platform plugs into a 2-inch receiver back here and has a sink and a little rinsing station that goes with it and a griddle made by Halo. 3,000-pound hitch on the rear, all LED exterior lights. We have our roof ladder that goes up to our Magnum Truss roof system. The griddle's set up right next to your outside kitchen with a mini fridge. Rainier all steel H-rated 16-ply tires. Our MORRIDE system, outside speakers, and then one of the best floor plans we've ever sold in a fifth wheel right here. These are extremely popular. Big trifold couch in the back. Our entertainment center with a 5,000 BTU electric heater, 12-volt refrigerator, an island with your little do-it-all sink here that has a rinsing station. Rinses here, cup rinser. You can adjust your plunger. And then you have 2 theater seats, recliners, right across from the TV and the fireplace. This little ottoman right here as well is really cool. So this actually can be moved out. It has storage underneath it. This flips up. Opens up right there. You can move it out to the trifold and use that as an ottoman. Big old pantry with a motion sensor light. MB Quartz sound system on the interior. This can either be a pantry or a coat closet. There, our control panel here. Double thermostats for the Coleman Mach AC system. Your medicine cabinet, sink, radius shower. And then your third slide out right here that has more clothing storage. Front windshield's a really cool feature as well. Your TV goes right here. Then another Coleman Mach AC. I mentioned there were 2 ACs. So once again, folks, this is one of the best values at the RV show for Apache Village RV Center. The 28 CRT Jayco Eagle HT. $59,995. We are 30% off MSRP on this. If you're looking to get into a lightweight fifth wheel, look no further. This unit, according to our fancy little yellow sticker here, 32 feet, 11.25 inches, coming in at 9,800 pounds. That's right from the factory. So you can tow this with any 3/4 ton truck, no problem, you know, unless it's a way older truck, but any new truck these days is gonna tow this, no problem. Come and see us. We would love to earn your business.
Thank you.